Hello everyone, I'm Selina from 3rd year CSE. This is my 8th experiment of web technology in which I'm showing the database connection. So first, for database connection there are 4-5 steps. First is that for database connectivity we need the DB host name. So I've given here $DB host, that is local host. For SAM, I'm using SAM, so for that my host is localhost, and then $DB user is equals to root, and DB password is nothing. I didn't set any password. So by default DB user is root and password it's nothing. And then for connectivity, $CON is equals to MySQLi underscore connect. This is the function MySQLi underscore connect. Inside that I am giving DB host name, then username, and then password. Or if we are not getting connection, then it will die function, and inside that I have written connection error. This will be shown. And then we have to select the database on which we will use SQL queries. So for that, DB name is sample. I have given in my SAM. In my exam, I have a sample. I have the database name as sample. Inside that, I have a table name, that is student, and that student has, as you can see here, sample, and then student is the table name. Inside that I have name and ID attributes, and now there are three datas. I have 3 rows I have inserted, and then I have to connect the database name. Database name on which connection is to be done. MySQLi underscore select underscore DB database. I am selecting in $connection, that is connection. I have to connect to database sample or die database error. It will show if you won't get connected. And then my query is select asterisk for student, that it will select all the data that are stored in student. It will be displayed. And then $result $result1 MySQLi underscore query, that is then it will connect the query to that database. And then rows $rows is equals to MySQLi underscore num underscore rows, and then $result1, and it will fetch the number of rows, and then echo number of rows. It will show the how many number of rows are there in that table and then while row is equals to MySQLi underscore fetch, this will fetch the rows, and each row's data it will show as name and ID. I'll run and show you. As you saw, these were the data which were inserted: Joes, Ellie, and Selena. Here also you can see Joes, Ellie, and Selena. Now I will insert that from my query here. Here I am giving here as some name like Jack, and I have given here 124, and when I'll run this, then this will get inserted in that. See, as you can see here, Jack 124. As I inserted it from here, I gave an insertion for query. I've given $name Jack, $ID 124, and in query I've given insert into student, that is table name, and attribute name of ID. Values I've given $name, $ID, Jack and 124, and then I dollar result is equals to my SQLi query which is to be executed this, and the connection is to be done with this query, and at the end record inserted, and after doing all works, after all connectivity works, then for closing the connection, my SQLi underscore close and the connection which is to be closed. So as you saw, the connectivity, database connectivity using PHP. Here when if again I will run this program, then again that jack, it will get added, one more jack. See, you can see here again, since I didn't change anything in that code, with the same code and then again if I'll give some other name, then again that will get added into it. And in XAMPP also, see, you can see here joy. In XAMPP also, when you see, you can see here it is added. So this was my 8th experiment. Thank you for watching.